The China Pavilion at COP16 has just held its first side event with an aim to achieve sustainable development in vulnerable dryland ecosystems. And organized by China's NISA, the event just introduced its continuous scientific efforts in desertification control.
中国的科技从治沙的开始就已经介入进来了。从1950年代，我们修包兰铁路，就创造出了铁路治沙的世界奇迹，发明了5位一体的治沙模式。
我们的三北工程，它1978年启动，到目前为止46年了，还要继续下去，一共规划了有70多年的历程。正是在这种长期的规划下，我们确定分阶段的目标，提升我们的技术，应用新的技术解决问题，取得这样的成就。
What happened here at the China Pavilion today was we heard about success. We heard about the future. We heard about what countries can do. In fact, this isn't a story of drought and desertification and land degradation. This is a story of restoration.